He was that domestic shit.
Yes, they did. They talking about because the law passed. I guess Donald Trump passed a new law that something like you have to go. But since she was still loud and tripping when the police came, they said that she was the aggressor.
Yeah.
She wasn't. She getting her ass beat. Like, what the fuck you?
Are you for real?
Yeah. That's like you fighting and shit like that. And now that you see the police when you turn back on, I'm like, no, come get this motherfucker. I'm still tripping. Now I see y'all, but y'all just put me in handcuffs. Like, what the fuck?
He left the scene?
The bitch ass is still there.
And he just watched her go down.
Yes, but he kept saying like, they was asking him like, do you want to press charges or anything? He's like, no, I don't want to press charges. I don't want to do anything like that.
Oh, nah, that's crazy.
And he's still talking to him, so they pulled him to the side and they talking to you, so they don't tell you what you need to say, but it was still okay.
Yeah.
Murder was busted and everything.
And she went to jail.
Hey, free that girl mama. She didn't do it, man. I didn't get to record the last part, but I paid her for the phone. And yeah, free that girl mama. She about to go bail her out right now.